Alright, now we'll show you how to set the degree wheel up. Rotate the engine until it bumps against the stop and put it on 0. Homelight 410, Mike, he made me these degree wheel blanks. They're just a 1/8 inch thick piece of aluminum, 7 inches in diameter, size of a skill saw blade. And I just print these, size them, glue them on there with Super 77. Okay, that's 0 and I'm bumped against the stop. And I go back this way and I see that I'm on 72.5. You take half of that. Let's see, 35, 36, 36 and a quarter. Okay. There's 36 and a little bit. I got 37 there. So let's go to 36 and a half. 36 and a half. 36 and a half. Pull the stop, and the degree wheel's set. There's top dead center right there. All right.